Step 1. Use the right wrench. Rotate counterclockwise and unscrew the 4 screws of the pump head. Step 2. With 2 screwdrivers, insert 2 screwdrivers simultaneously into the gap and gently pry the pump head. Separate the pump head from the connection. Note that this action should be done moderately, ensuring that the O-ring of the connection is not damaged. Step 1. First check whether the O-ring is damaged. If so, replace it in time. Check if the O-ring is placed properly, to avoid affecting the subsequent installation and use. Step 2. Start connection. Lift the pump body. Align the water inlet ring of the impeller with the pump head. Align the 4 screw holes diagonally. Tighten the 4 screws clockwise with a wrench.